A Shillong social enterprise, Dak-Ti Crafts, will be organizing the Winter Tales Festival from 16th to 18th December 2021, wherein various artists and craftsmen from all over the state of Meghalaya will be showcasing their unique art and crafts alongside a musical event featuring local talent. The three-day event will be held at the Wards Lake in Shillong. Founder of Dak-Ti Crafts, Rida Gatpo, while speaking to reporters at a press conference held on the 13th of December, informed that the ticketed event, which is sponsored by the Meghalayan Age Limited, will be held under strict adherence to COVID-19 safety protocols. Gatpo added that the main intention of such an event is to form a connection between the arts, food, fashion and music of the indigenous people of the state.
Ateliers from across Meghalaya, from Garo Hills, we have it from Jaintia Hills, Kasi Hills, all the ateliers who are enterprises, who are working on their own. These enterprises are independent, they work with teas, coffees, their own independent businesses. Like we are mostly into craft, Dak-Ti craft, we handle pottery of Meghalaya and we also do many other crafts. So this event is actually a platform for all these enterprises to come and celebrate what they do independently, and it's a 3-day event. So we will be having food to celebrate food of the local people, individuals who work here. We are going to also have artists from the state who would create these experiences during these 3 events. Also, we are highlighting most of these brands who work with very indigenous craft like the Rindia from here, the pottery from the Jaintia Hills. We have a Daniel's Aim Ethnic Craft Fashion House who is also into Rindia. We have also from Garo Hills people working with various arts and crafts, be it their textiles and handicrafts. We have ceramics and cane bamboo crafts from the Garo Hills. Also, the food is something that we are trying to promote, slow food and also indigenous food, local teas, local coffees from here. We are bringing in a lot of artists also in music, which is mainly from Meghalaya. So this festival is more unique, unlike the other festivals where we are promoting and celebrating a lot of other people also outside the state, but this is more within our state, promoting our local indigenous crafts, arts and music and culture. It's a 3-day event, and while celebrating this event, Wards Lake is the venue where we thought it would be a very good space to kind of bring in the crowd from the state. We have a ticketed event for these 3 days, and it's mandatory to follow also with regard to the protocols of COVID-19.